My name is Attiena Ibrahim, and in this project, I would like to share how to use British Council application to improve your English skill. Before it, I would like to explain what is British Council application. So, British Council application is an application that provides a quick and accurate test for your English level. The test assesses your proficiency in grammar, vocabulary, reading and listening, and can be used for self-improvement, to prove your level to an employer, or to prepare a test such as IELTS. Then, I would like to explain how to use this application. So, here we go.
First, you must have this application by install it in Google Play Store, App Store, and other platforms that provide this application. This app is free, so you don't need to purchase anything. Second, open this application and you will be taken to the start page about the detailed overview of this application. Third, in this page, you can select I have account if you have an account before, or get started if you do not have an account before. Then, you can choose whether using Gmail account, Facebook account, or using email. Because I have Google account, so I will register using my Google account. Fourth, you will be asked to choose the level that you are capable on, then choose the reason why you need to learn English. Then, before you take the quiz, you will be asked to activate your camera during the test to make sure that you do the test by yourself. After that, you will be asked for agreement photos being taken to verify your score. Next, if you have a connect code from your teacher, you can click in the I have connect code. If you do not have it, just click start the test and you will bring to the test page. 7. Take the quiz in 14 minutes. Once you click the answer, you cannot go back to the previous questions. Take the quiz carefully if you want to print the certificate. I'm so sorry because the British Council doesn't allow to record the test, so I cannot include it. Plus, after you finish the test, you will show about the result in detailed way. The result will include your score in grammar, vocabulary, reading, and listening. If you want to print it, you will have to pay a few dollars. You can click in this image if you want to get your certificate. In the previous step, I explained that you must pay a few dollars, but it can be paid in Indonesia rupiah. For the detail, you can open this application.
British Council is a good application and easy to use, and it can help anyone who wants to improve their English skill. So that's for me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.